In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to hide your address on Shopify. This is a useful trick if you want to maintain a certain level of privacy while still operating your online store. So let's start. The first step is to navigate to the Shopify website. Once you're there, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Settings. This option is usually found somewhere towards the bottom of your dashboard, or it could be located in a top corner drop-down menu, depending on how your page is set up. Clicking on Settings will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your store. Next up, you need to locate the Shipping and Delivery option. Once you find it, give it a click. This will open a whole new section dedicated to aspects of your store's shipping and delivery processes. Now starts the bit where you need to scroll down and navigate throughout this section. What you're looking for is the packing slip template, which can be found under the Shipping Documents section. This template is where we make our necessary changes to hide your address. Once you click on the packing slip template option, you'll find yourself looking at quite a bit of code. It might seem intimidating, but don't fret. We're here to guide you through. Among this code, you'll find the address of your shop. The line of code we're interested in is named shop.address. For the next step, you're going to have to scroll down until you find this line. Once you locate it, you need to select it and delete the entire line of code by either pressing the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. This tactic essentially removes your address from the system, thereby hiding it. Now, it's time to save the changes you've made. To do this, you need to click on the Save button, duly storing the code changes you made. It's essential to remember to do this, as not clicking Save means your changes will not be applied. Now, let's check everything is in order. You can complete this final step by clicking on the Preview Template button, which will show you how the template looks. Post adjustments. If all went well, you'll notice your address is no longer visible. Mission accomplished. And there you have it. That's how you successfully hide your address on Shopify. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for taking the time to learn.